Hey, I'm Alex. We're here at the 0cc cafeteria, and I've heard they've got some new food to try out, so let's go check it out.
Jinyun Shaobing is a cultural heritage. Master Bao has been making it since he was 16. Now he's 49. The process of making Shaobing is very interesting and challenging for me. Fortunately, I succeeded. The temperature of the stove is very high. At first, I didn't even dare put Shaobing in with my hands. But this is the temperature that makes a delicious Shaobing.